All right, here's a first year water buffalo, 1972. It'll be a Suzuki gt750J model. This is colors called Candy Magenta. They came in a couple colors this year, maybe three. This one seems to be quite popular now. This was a barn find I bought from the original owner maybe a month ago. Anyways, clean California title. It was neglected for a very long time. It needed some new coils, carburetor rebuild, various, regular maintenance, coolant flush, things like that. New battery, gas tanks. I cleaned the gas tank out. It was pretty crusty in there. It's missing the fan for the radiator, so I have to find one of those. But yeah, let's see if this thing will run. Choke on.